Hey there everyone, welcome back to Blades and More with a review of this Kershaw Flythrough folding pocket knife. This Kershaw Flythrough model came out in 2018 and it's just a rather simplistic stainless steel handle mid-size folding pocket knife that is budget price, comes in around the $25 price point. Has some unique design features with a proprietary see-through screw that is tightened and loosened with a special proprietary tool that Kershaw sells that sells for about $16. So that makes the knife unattractive for some people. However, I have heard that you can use a snap ring plier tool to tighten and loosen that screw head. That would make it more economical if you wanted to purchase this this knife. The tool also does work on some of the ZT brand knives, and they say that they're going to be using the tool and that screw head more in the future with some of the other Kershaw brands, so we'll wait and see. This also has a see-through, fly-through type hole in the handle that lets you see some of the internal mechanisms of the knife. Makes it a little interesting. But some people have commented that the black anodized stainless steel handle just has a rather inexpensive feel in the hand, and I would have to agree. It's still a decent little budget mid-sized knife. It comes in at 6.9 inches overall length. The blade length is 3 inches long. The blade material is a 8CR13 MOV, and it is a drop point blade design with a hollow grind, a plain edge, and a black anodized finish for low reflectivity. Also, the handle is the same. Has a small sharpening choil and a really nice heavily jimped thumb ramp on the top of the blade. Works well. I can fit my large to extra large hand on the handle. My little finger, about 3/4 of it fits there. The handle length is only 3.9 inches long, and the handle thickness, it's quite thin. It's only 0.4 inches thick. It's nice and thin. Black stainless steel handle material with a flipper opening and a frame lock. Works very well. Comes in at 3.7 ounces weight. It has a little heft for its size. It is tip-up carry design with a right hand or left hand carrying clip positioning ability. This one has very nice centering of the blade and the handle. It's a open back handle design for easy cleaning. The knife was designed by R.J. Martin, this flipper knife, with this very unique see-through pivot screw. Black anodized, flipper, frame lock. Just a cool little EDC. Very utilitarian kind of model. Relatively inexpensive, budget brand. Great thumb ramp on the top of the blade. 8CR13 MOV blade material. Just a cool little piece. All right, everybody, there we go. It is the Kershaw Flythrough folding pocket knife. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you back again. All right, bye now.